Hello friends, today we will discuss about index in MySQL. Basically, if we want to create an index in MySQL to find the data in a faster way. For example, suppose if we want to find out some topic in a book. Now, when you want to find out a topic in a book, so simply you will refer an index. Same way over here, we are going to create index on some of the columns or any one of the column on the table, and that one is used to find the data in a faster way, or we can say this one is going to optimize the search operation in the database using an index. Fine. So today we will discuss about two things, that how we are going to create index, how can we create index on multiple columns, and the third thing that we are going to discuss, that how can we remove an index. Fine. So here I am having a table, and on that we will do some operations to create an index, to remove an index, or to create multiple column index. Fine. So let us begin with the very first. We are having a table and we want to create an index. Fine. So to create an index, the syntax is like create index and then name of the index on table name, and in bracket we need to provide the name of the column. Fine. So this is the syntax of creating an index. Now let us create an index on this particular table. I am having one database that is called company, and in company I am having one table that is called employee. Fine. Right now I don't have any index on this particular table. Now I want to create an index. So I want to create an index on employee number. Fine. So the query for that will be like create index and the name of the index. Suppose I am going to give EMP number. Fine. EMP number, that is the name of an index, on, and then table name is employee, and in bracket I need to provide the name of the column on which we want to create an index. So it would be like EMP number. Fine. So this one is going to create an index. So this index has been created. Now over here you can see in list you will find the index over here on employee number. Fine. This gray key is going to represent that this one is an index column, or index is created on this particular column. Fine. Now suppose if I want to create an index on multiple columns. Fine. So in that particular case, what I need to do is, suppose I am having one table that is called department table. Fine. Now I want to create index on multiple columns. So simply what I need to do is, over here we are having three columns: department number, department name, and city. And I am going to create index on department number and department name. So it will be like create index and then name of that index, say DEPT I. Fine. And then on name of the table, say department, and then in bracket I have to provide the name of the column. Say I am going to provide department number comma department name. Fine. So this one is going to create index on two columns. Fine. Okay. So here let's see this table. So these two columns are the part of index. These two columns are part of index. Fine. Now suppose if I want to remove an index, then simply the syntax for that will be drop index and then name of the index, then on, and then name of the table. Fine. So it will be like drop, the example is like drop index and then name of the index, say I have given the name of the index like DEPTI on, and the name of the table say department. Fine. So now let us click on the go button. So this one has removed an index. So here you can see in structure you will not find that gray keys. Fine, that is going to represent an index. So this way we can create an index on single attribute, multiple attributes, and we can remove the index, and that indexing is going to optimize the search operation in the table. Fine. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.